Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 different types of face mask. Super volcanic peel-off mask, twice more powerful for intensive pore care. So this product is perfect for the pores. I will do the T-zoom and a little bit on the cheeks. Volcanic peel-off mask. This is my first time using it. I hope this peel-off mask is not painful when I peel it off. People say it'll make your pore look bigger when you do peel-off mask. So after you do peel-off mask, I would suggest to use a face mask. Peel off the mask when skin feels tight. It feels a little bit itchy when it gets dry. It's itchy. And somehow, I don't know why, it smells like vinegar. Hurts a little bit when you peel it off, but it's not super painful. Doesn't feel dry on my forehead, but it feels super dry around this part. Compared to other brand of peel-off mask, this one is more gentle than the others. Very smooth and it doesn't feel dry. It's cleaner than before. Still have some hair on my forehead somehow. I still have the black head on my nose. Looks like it had something out. So after you did the peel-off mask, I would suggest you to use the smoothing mask. I just really love how they design their face mask. It looks like a milk bottle. And this one is blueberry and this one is mango. So the mango mask is for brightening. The blueberry mask is for balancing. So I will do the brightening this time. Oh, it has a plastic over the mask. So it has 2 layers. First layer is the plastic. It's very cold. Do I need to peel off the plastic? I think I need to peel off the plastic. Wow, the sheet is very thin. Sheer mask. Better to do face mask at night, and right now it's 10 o'clock at night. I don't know what's the plastic thing for. Oh, wow, it feels like my skin is a little bit brighter. So that's the mango. I should have put some off on my neck. Can I use it as moisturizer? For the blueberry one, I will use it the next day. So it's very moisturized. Look, it didn't make my skin red. The next face mask is very interesting. This is a slice face mask, and this is a watermelon. I also have a cucumber. I have never thought about the face mask comes to pieces and it's just like the watermelon slice. A lot of Korean masks cost around like $1 to $2. This mask is only 1.28 cents. This is on discount. I think the price is very cheap for face mask. This mask has the watermelon extract and honey extract. So I just washed my face. My forehead is dry. It's very different than the early summers. The effect of this mask is to smooth your skin. The most important thing is to moisture your skin. I want to try the watermelon. Oh. Wow, it's very cute, very cute. Look. Wow, that's super cute. You peel this one off. Oh, that's super adorable. Oh, looks like this one is the biggest. Very interesting face mask. I think this one on the nose. It's just like the watermelon makeup. Super adorable. So how many slices? 12 slices. That's enough to share with your friend. That's super funny. so you just need to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. It does smell like watermelon, very comfortable. Okay, it's about 20 minutes. Wow, it's almost dry. Oh, this one is getting dry as well. It feels very comfortable, and you can see that it didn't irritate my skin. My skin didn't get red, not even a little bit. Some face masks make my skin red after I using it, but this one, it will not irritate your skin. It was fun using it. The downside is it will not cover your whole face. It comes to pieces. I'll use the cucumber one in 2 days. Okay, this is the different day. So today I'm going to try the cucumber one. It does smells like cucumber. It also smells like honeydew. Wow, it's really green. And they're in different sizes. This is like I'm putting cucumber slice. Cucumber. This is one of the cutest mask. That's a little bit too much. I want to cut it in half. Put it here. That's very adorable. And I have 2 more extra. And you can use the remaining. You can apply it on your hands or your neck. Yeah, they are getting a little bit dry. I don't even want to throw away those slices. They're just so cute. I think they could also make like a strawberry slice. I will want to try the strawberry slice, cherry slice, pineapple slice, just all the fruit slice, or maybe some vegetable slice. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and try it out if you are interested. All the links are in the description box. If you like it. Bye bye, I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.